Welcome back after a really long time. The time has been really so many things happened in between. Um, by the way, I have changed my camera because my old phone got so wetty. Like let me just make a story, or not make a story. Let me just try to explain the story. Like we went to this place called Dugarwadi, which is a waterfall site. We went to there, and what happened? Guess what? My phone got bloody really wet because there was a rain. The water got inside, and phone got like the phone bloody switched off. It got stopped, and it is gone. My data is gone. My everything is gone off that phone. Luckily, I had my all Google accounts and other passwords saved into another phone. I got that, and I just ordered my new phone, and I just got back my data of Google and all those things. But still, I haven't gotten the data of like the photos and all those shit, because those were the important shit for me. There was so many things inside that. I had, like, before this I had shooted a video, like, just this just before that week I went to some ground, like I went at the ground to do the regular jogging and all those shit, and I shooted a video which is also gone. Right now I'm this very famous ground of Nashik called Shambhaji Stadium, and it is great to come here. Anytime I just come, I'm having just new insight and this calmness and the competitiveness, or like I am able to reflect on myself more whenever I come at the stadium. It is a municipal corporation ground, so that everybody can play here and do whatever shit they want to do at here. Yeah, like this ground represents the playfulness of people. This ground represents the freedom of people. This ground is a representation of people not being worried about being it themselves, as far as I am observing. Because here is what they come to chill, having fun with their friends, shitting all around, saying the curse word, like exploring their freedom. So many kids just come here and play here. They just, what do I say, are exploring their their becoming of teenager. I don't know. I just don't know. But yeah, this ground is great. It Whenever I come here, it gives me really new insights. The insight that I got today. So firstly, I just ran for 30 minutes. Like, it was, of course, I was taking breaks in between 10 minutes of running break, 10 minutes of running break, and then 10 minutes of running. So that is how I completed my 30 minutes. And I can see that I'm not able to run continuously even for 10 minutes as well. That is what is telling me that this is your reality. This is the reality of your body. Your body, I'm saying. You think of yourself that fucking a great athlete, or a bloody gym guy, or a youngster who's having enormous amount of uh, potential to work, and you are having so much energy and all those shit. But no, this gives you, this shows you the mirror of who you are, who your body is. Of course, not adhere, but your mind is ready. Okay, it is saying that let us complete the 30 minutes, but your body says no, all the bloody time. No, and just you have to push your body beyond its limits, and we just keep continue. I would be saying that develops. I think that develops a great ability to pushing your limits, especially pushing the limits of your body and your mind. The ability of your mind to tolerate. Okay, how much can I extend? How much can I extend? And yeah, this is great. If I do this every day, I can of course improve or improve. I would say improve. Yeah, I can of course extend my limit till 1 hour. I just have to increase 5 minutes every day, right? And that is how I will improve. Um, yeah. What other than that? Other than that, like I can see that whenever you are exhausted fully, work so hard that your body is exhausted, your mind is exhausted, you're not giving any shit about the people, what is happening in your life. Of course you do give a shit. Of course you have to take care of what is happening towards your family, your people, but you don't care enough about what people think of you, what people are doing towards you, or like what is going around your environment, around your I don't know, your inner circle, not inner circle, but around your circle, I would say. I just really don't know what am I talking, but I'm just talking. Yesterday I was talking with somebody on the call and gave her that you should start doing the free speaking, because she wanted to improve her English. And how do you do that? By speaking it every day. So that's why I just gave her advice, some random advice, that just start speaking anything, any shit that comes up in your mouth, just start speaking. Hopefully the phone is able to get the audio, whatever am I speaking. Yeah, so like I was just saying that you just do not worry too much whenever you are exhausted. 30 minutes is like a full fucking exhaustion of your body reaching to its limits. You don't have any thought that comes up in your mind, uh, you don't care. The only thing I do care is I need some rest, I need to be fucking changed or whatever, right? And you realize that there are some other shits and other things to care about in the world, rather than the people, rather than the unnecessary problems. I've noticed that I'm making so many new problems by myself, which are not even a problem for me. I'm just thinking, oh shit, this is so tough, this is so hard, I cannot do this. I don't want to do this, and I'm not a right person to do that, and this that. But that is all a clutter. That is what a shit, which what your mind tells you. Um, I know my camera quality is great, but the maybe the audio is great or not. I just don't know. It's been 9 minutes. The phone that I bought is called Galaxy M35. I'm noticing that I'm too much murmuring in between my sentences or in between my words. This is, I think this is called murmuring, like repeating a same word again and again. And I don't know why. Maybe it is intentionally or non-intentionally, but I just want to stop it. I just don't want to do it all the bloody time. The people are great. People are great. What people are great? Yes, this camera is too much like near to the face or near to the frame compared to that phone. Like, of course, you need some stand, or like you need a stand to put your phone and make your camera to see your backgrounds as well. Maybe let me just show you how this ground looks like. I'm sitting of Shambhaji. People are playing there. Um, I don't know. This is for the first time that I'm seeing into my videos. My background so clear, like the zoom and all those, and maybe yes. What else should I talk about? I just don't know. So like since past few weeks, I haven't been to this cricket academy, which I used to go, where I used to go, because there was some financial aspects, or like there was some extra expenditure that I spent. I bought a phone, I bought shoes. Uh, Recently, just 3 or 5 days ago, my birthday went, and yeah, in that as well, like I had a hell lot of expenditure or spendings of money. I just don't know. Expenditure. How should I say? I just don't know. I don't have any proper words of explaining what do I think of. I think, guys, I must start reading as of now, or from now on. I have many books remaining with me, which is to be completed. There is this book called Satyena Prayoga by Gandhi Ji. Then there is this 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 book called I Will Survive, something like that, by Robert Patel, or like something like that. Some Christian guy from Tamil Nadu who wrote this book. Was very poor. I read around half of that book has already completed, and then I just stopped reading it. And he just was so poor. His life was so tough, and then he was like, I will survive this. I will survive this. Like the book is good. The storytelling is straightforward. It also cannot called a storytelling as well. It's called a biography or Atmakatha, I would say. Is a Atmakatha called might be called a memoir, maybe. But it is a good book. Then I have to finish this other book called what is that? Thinking Fast and Slow, maybe. I was reading this book by, I forgot his name. This Silent Patient by Tristan, something like that. I forgot. Yeah, I just have to start it, because reading is what makes you ahead of people by 0.1% or maybe 1%, and which is what you want. Let me ask me myself this question: why aren't I want to be ahead of the people? Why I want to be at the top of the hierarchy? Why? Okay. A, because the society has teach me that is the case. B, what is the other thing that I have to do? Do I always want to be the average person or the mediocre person who has never been onto the top of his hierarchy wherever he works, whatever he does? Am I like that? And why do I want to be at the top of the hierarchy? Why I want to be the strongest or the stronger person? Why I want to improve myself constantly? Why? Let me ask me this question. Okay. Why I want to? Of course, like I told you, the reason A is the social conditioning. That okay, you have to go to this place, you have to go to that top, you have to be more and more stronger. Okay, that is A reason. B, why you have to do that? Do I want this? Why I am extending my potential, extending my limits? Why is that question? Have I ever asked me? No. Do I know the answer? Let me think of this. What is that? Why is that? Why do I want to do that? Maybe my reason could be what else to do basically. ज़िंदगी में और है ही क्या कुछ करने को, राइट? You don't want to be at the middle or at the average place where you have always been. You got to be improved somehow or at some extent, anyhow, by different aspects of life. Uh, you might be reading, you might be running, you might be writing, you might be working a lot, you might be thinking a lot, right? But of course, you have to do something. जीवन है तो क्यों है? Why the life is here? To work, and of course to help people. It is not like life is here just to consume, just to do the consumption more and more. No, no, no. Okay, consumption is there. We do that a lot, but it is not the only thing. Your responsibility is there to help people, to think about the people. Right? So, what was my question? And so, like, why I do want to be at the top of the? I would be saying that is the only reason. What else is to do? करना भी क्या है और, right? This is just a game that you are playing until the day of your death. You just keep going and going and going and wanting more and more. Why do I want that? Why do I want this and why do I want that? Because you are a human. Humans are having this never-ending demand of things, demand of people, demand of experiences, right? They always want some amount of pleasure. That's like a hedonic treadmill. If I get a 1 crore today, I won't stop. That's a hedonic treadmill, and I will keep running around, running around, running around, running around. Yeah, it's been just a 17 minutes, and today I don't have any constraints about my limit of the video because the phone is new, the storage is too much. It's 128 GB. I don't have to worry about it at all. What else should I talk about? I just don't know. So currently there is a match between India and Bangladesh going on. India is totally over the Bangladesh. They are playing great. Of course, India is absolutely terrible to win, and especially it's a test match. England cannot win, Australia cannot win. Who can win? Right? Like this time, India is going to Australia, and I'm saying that this time they won't be easy on Indians. It is going to be a really tough job for Indians to win any single match in Australia. Of course, Indians are great. Their team is great. The players are great and highly skilled. Their mental ability to tolerate the stuff is great. I'm hoping for Pujara to go there, to go and play there. But at what place he will be playing? At which place he will be playing? Because there is no place in the team. He will be playing at the place of Rahul, at the KL Rahul. Oh, I don't know. Maybe they can push because they cannot push Gill or Virat Kohli, right? I'll be saying just drop Virat Kohli. No. I don't know. Just because he's a great player, he's out of the form right now. If he just does not perform into his first test match, I think that he should be dropped and Pujara should come in. Let us see. Because in this Bangladesh match as well, he did not score at a century. I don't know. Of course, like everybody is working. Virat Kohli is just a human. Of course, he is having too much potential in him. But in front of him there is whole team. They're trying to get a wicket of him. He might make mistakes. He's the greatest player of is considered as the greatest player of all time, in the greatest player of all time, Virat Kohli, especially in the white ball. But yeah, what else should I talk about? I just don't know. There is some guy, there is a kid who is flying a kite. What else? What else? What else? I just don't have any shit to talk about. Really. It is how I'm sorry. How interesting is it when you are having enough time to speak about, you don't have any shit to talk about? Yeah, I think I might start a YouTube channel. I think to start speaking at least one thing. Anything. Just start speaking about it. Just start speaking about it. Speak and speak and speak and speak and speak. Um, Take a topic and start explaining about them in your words, your thoughts, whatever way you want. Yes. What else should I talk about? I just don't know. Yeah, what is going on? What are the problems which am I having? What type of problem? To be less precise, Um I'm making, as of now, I'm seeing that I'm making too much of problems by myself. They are not problems at all. I'm nervous of talking with people, and I'm way too much becoming nervous of talking with women, with the girls that I work with, and I'm finding it now that I should be at least in a one relationship. I'm thinking if as of now, so that I can learn. I don't know. It might be very much biased, this type of thinking, but at least I just know how to operate with a woman, right? I don't want, like, I don't have too much expectations of that, but I want to just experience how to operate with a woman in a relationship. I want to improve myself, um, and of course, it is not a very big deal to being in a relationship. As of now, I'm assuming. Of course, it might be hard to tolerate and to continue a relationship, but for that you need to know how to deal with that, right? You need at least an experience, and that is why I want to be into that. uh, what else? I just don't know. uh, yeah, there might be too much bias thinking as well. That why experience. What are the counterparts of this argument that I want to gain an experience of a relationship? I don't think so. I cannot think of any argument of this. Of course, like teenagers, there was some financial guy or CEO or something I was watching into Vinamra's podcast. He was saying that teenagers are not dating enough because dating teaches you them how to operate in a conversation, how to operate with the people, with the other gender. Um what are the etiquettes that you need to be learned when you're in presence of people, uh, how much confident you must be, uh, how you have to be, and all those shit. But yeah, I'm thinking of it as a very logical argument that people are not dating enough, and the main reason that I'm afraid of is me, of course, A, and B, I'm afraid of people, what people think of me, what the people around me or the people I live with will think of me, and that is a terrible thinking and terrible thought to have it, because this way you will never going to grow. This way you will never going to try. Just go out there and try. uh, but I want to maintain my this morality that if I don't have courage to talk with a woman, I won't look at her. If I'm able to look at her eyes and talk to that person, then and then I should look at her. But other than that, I won't look at her at all because I don't deserve that, and I should not do that. Of course, that's terrible way. Why should I just keep looking at the person? I just start speaking, right? Uh, I don't know what else should I talk about. I just don't have anything. But yeah, I'm looking forward to be in a relationship with someone. Just so that I can learn how to behave, how to operate. What are the mistakes that you make in relationship? Uh, how to handle the other party if other party is not very much right, very much wrong, or is very much wrong, right? Uh, yeah. Let me see. I just confessed it for the first time. Let me be clear or be right about this. That I want to be in something. I want to experience something. Like before this, I was in denial or this delusional way that I want to do this or not want to do this. I don't want this. I want this and this and this and this and that. Right. But yeah, finally, I think I have made a decision. I just don't want to be afraid of the people that I should do that or I should do not do that and this that right. uh, what other than that, I just don't know. I cannot think of anything else. I'm just thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. I think very soon I need to start reading again because my ability to speak has been affected very bad. There's that book of this author. Who was that? The Wild by Cheryl Carter. Cheryl Strayed. It was amazing piece of writing. How the hell she was able to write this much of shit? Like she is a great writer. I would say. Of course, there are so many better writers than her, but I found her way so clear and it was so engaging. You cannot stop. You just start reading and reading and reading and reading, and of course that story was uh, mounting or rolling around the mountains and tracks and her self discovery of herself, how she how she did that, how was her journey and all those shit. But yeah, this was great. That book was great. Of course I didn't completed it, but yeah, almost I completed around 70 to 80% of that book, and then I just stopped because of course laziness. Yeah, I think I just have to stop it now. There is a match. There is a series going on in between Australia and England of 5 ODIs. Australia has already won those 2 matches. England have lost those matches in their home at their home. I would say Manas Labuschagne is incredible guy. He just took bloody 3 wickets in first match. How great talent is he? And I think I think every team is working. I think every team is like each and every player is now working on both skills, batting and bowling as well. Like in every team, everybody's just working towards bowling as well, so that they can make or show the all-round performance. Whenever your team needs that, you need to help them. Right. Uh, what else? What other than that? I just don't have anything. It's been a bloody 30 minutes. it was great. It might be around 4 to 5 or 6 GBs of video, because this phone is having more clarity compared to that. And yeah, I think I must stop it now. um, yeah, I think I might need a stand. I just don't know. Okay then, see you tomorrow.